Hi all, today I bought Amazon Fire TV Stick 2021. It is the latest version of Amazon. So let's start unboxing and we'll review how it is working on and all the things. This is totally new looks and the design and many apps are there. So totally different compared to previous one. I have opened the box and kept all the material in one line. We can see the remote that is supporting Alexa also, and here the connector and Amazon given two batteries for remote, and this is the main connector, USB connector. You can connect with TV, and here some the documents how to install all these things, and this is another connector for TV if your TV not smart TV. Okay. Nothing is about is good packing. I like the packing, all these things. This is the remote control of Amazon Fire TV Stick 2021. And now we'll go to insert the batteries and we'll see how it is functioning. And all the things we can see now, you can see proper way. See now how the connector is connecting. So you can with power, and this is the adapter need to connect HDMI. Okay, be careful while logging. Once we connected the USB connector, now Fire TV has started. We'll see how it is functioning. So in the beginning it's showing like Fire TV and automatically updating. Now giving option to check your language and select as your language. Then after you can connect your internet, which connect you have. You can do your through this remote only. You can do it. Will connect the you can connect the 2G, 5G, whatever available. You can connect with your TV. I am going to give my password. We'll come back once it's done. Thank you. Once a setting done successfully, you need to connect your Amazon account with your Fire TV, and it will give some code, and you need to connect through apps.
Now I'm going to start the TV with Alexa TV remote. Now we have to click this button, blue color button, and see. Alexa, start the TV. Now I'm going to show some functions in this Alexa remote. Press the blue color button and say, Alexa, play Sony Live.
Here are some results.
So it came. Now again I'm saying. Now go back to home. And again I'm going to press the blue color button. Alexa, play YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
So it came YouTube. Now back I go to home.
Sorry.
Yes. Now I am going to increase the volume. Alexa, increase the volume. So it's increasing the volume. You can see.
Decrease.
Alexa, decrease the volume. So it came to decrease.
Weather.
Now I'm going to ask the weather. Alexa, what is today's weather?
Currently, in Bengaluru, Karnataka, it's 22 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Today, we can expect intermittent clouds with a high of 27 degrees and a low of 18 degrees. Hope you're having a good weekend.
Amazon Prime.
Alexa, play Prime Video.
Here's Prime Video.
Now go back to home. Game. Now Alexa, play Hotstar.
Here's what I found.
So here came Hotstar. তাকে দেখে দূরে এসে বসছি। Alexa, switch off the TV.
Okay.
So it's